Hello, this is Mr. Ben Davis, and I teach at Calvary Christian. This is my 5th year, and I'm really excited for this upcoming 2022-2023 school year. If you have me in one of these 6 classes, welcome. That would be 7th, 8th grade Bible boys, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Geometry, Pre-Calculus, and Calculus. Some of the things you can do to prep for this school year in a week would be purchasing a 3-hole punched notebook that you can use for class. And then if you can organize yourself by purchasing one of these 3-ring binders, doesn't have to be as hard as this one. It could be one of the flimsy paper ones. But I saw these being sold at Walmart for $1 last week. If you could do those 2 things, that'd be great. Third thing, if you're in one of my math classes, you need a scientific calculator. And the one that I find is most user-friendly is the TI-30. There's varying levels of the TI-30. You need not to purchase one that costs really more than $10. They had them in Walmart. I saw them on Amazon Prime, just a TI-30 that costs $10. Scientific calculator should have the sine, cosine, tangent buttons, power buttons, square root buttons, and you'll be all set to go. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at the Calvary School website, and I anticipate and I look forward to seeing you in a week. Enjoy your last week of summer. Thank you.